Hey there! Are you ready to upgrade your health and feel your absolute best? Well, we've got the perfect solution for you: nutrient-rich foods. First up, leafy greens like spinach, kale, and broccoli. These veggie superstars are packed with nutrients like vitamin K, vitamin A, and folate. And let's not forget about their high antioxidant content, which can help protect your body against those pesky free radicals. Plus, they taste amazing in salads, smoothies, and even stir-fries. Next up, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are all fantastic choices and are bursting with flavor. They are also high in antioxidants and have been linked to a lower risk of heart disease and certain types of cancer. And if that wasn't enough, they are also high in fiber, which can help improve digestion and support weight loss. Nuts and seeds like almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are another great choice. These little powerhouses are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, as well as nutrients like vitamin E, magnesium, and zinc. Sprinkle them on top of your oatmeal, yogurt, or salads for an extra boost. Fish, especially fatty fish like salmon and sardines, are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids have been linked to a lower risk of heart disease and improved brain function. And let's not forget about the protein and low saturated fat content of fish. It's a win-win-win. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice are rich in fiber and contain a variety of nutrients like B vitamins, iron, and magnesium. They make a tasty and filling addition to any meal. Legumes like beans, lentils, and chickpeas are a fantastic source of protein, fiber, and nutrients like iron, zinc, and potassium. They are also low in fat and have been linked to a lower risk of heart disease and certain types of cancer. Plus, they are super versatile and can be added to a variety of dishes. Sweet potatoes are a great source of complex carbs, which provide sustained energy, and they are also high in beta-carotene, which gets converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is important for maintaining healthy skin, vision, and immune function. And let's be real, sweet potatoes are just plain delicious. Last but not least, avocado. This creamy and delicious fruit, yes, it's a fruit, is a fantastic source of healthy monounsaturated fats, which can improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. It's also a great source of potassium and vitamin E. By adding these nutrient-rich foods to your diet, you can help ensure that you're getting all the nutrients your body needs to function at its best. Remember to also drink plenty of water and get regular exercise to support overall health and wellness. So go ahead and treat your body to these amazing foods. You deserve to feel your best and have a little fun while you're at it.